Hello YouTube, this is Infinity X Dragon, and today, right now I'm just going to be playing a little bit Call of Duty. Tomorrow, I might try to do some Skyrim, or maybe another video, or game. Sorry, I can't talk right now. It happens a lot. And the noise I get on the headset, it gets so annoying. You don't want to turn it all the way down. Huh. Okay. Not going to do that anymore. Okay. Yeah, I'm getting pretty close to unlocking that. What was it? Ghost? No. The Typhon one. And then I'm going to try to get this gold. So I might just make a new series. I guess I call it the Road to Diamond for the assault rifles. There we go. Yeah, I was going to try. Oops. Ah. Yeah, I'm not running. I'm not going to be running engineer at this. I'm going to kind of decide not to. Because there's a guy up there. I'm not going to try it. What are you shooting at me for? One of your team. Yeah, what would he do without me? He could have died if I hadn't killed that guy. Sorry, can I get one of my friends come over? Hello. Yeah, I'm not going to try anymore. Whoa. Okay, I'm going for it. Okay, I can hear the controller through the headset, and I died by bouncing Betty again. So, apologize if you can hear my controller. I don't know if it'll get annoying for you guys or not. I mean, it just gets annoying because I'm the one hearing it. Again and again. Look at that. And if any of my friends that I played online with watch this, I'm sure they know that they know I've been stuck in earlier. I really don't know why I was, but it's all good now. And about the airsoft war I might be having sometime this month. He's not really being exact on the date, so I'm kind of hoping it's this month and not next. Even though most likely be next. Here we go. I'm starting to love the M27. I used the MTAR earlier. I do kind of like it. I used to hate it, but I do kind of like it. Okay, that's friendly. And you are welcome. Even though the other guy was being a complete retard, I completely missed him. Wow. Ah, it's just a suicide. Oh, I love those. Those are fun to get. Hey guys, that's my guy. Also, tell me if I should do some hardcore. I mean, sometimes I'll do it for the SVU to get the cameras for it. And I have Bloodshot with it, I believe. I don't know if I have the next one after that. I don't know what he was doing, but okay. Can't you get Scavenger? Hold on. Do I? Yeah, I think I fast handled this one. I don't know why I don't have any. Do I have any lethals or tacticals? So we'll see. And okay, knife. There we go. Let's run this way. Yeah, change. Yeah, I'm just gonna go this way again. What was that, UAV? Nope. Was. Wait. Oh, I thought I heard RCXT. Also, if you notice my skill streaks, score streaks. It's a skill streak. It's score streaks, and okay, I survived that. Luckily, again, I can get up. Wow. Okay. Yeah. If you've seen that one video where I get all three of them from Domination, I think the map was played on. Yeah, it was Mirage. So check it out. I think it was a good video. Or gameplay also. Forgot what I get. I think it's like 28 and something, and 27 and something. Somewhere it's almost 30. I have 36 rounds left. Can I get my score streaks before then? That's not a person. That was. Ah. How long has he been chasing me? You'll hate it when people like chase you around half the map and then finally they kill you. I do it sometimes, so I guess I don't. I don't know what to say. I was going to say something, but I forgot what the term is. And those bouncing betties, you gotta love them. I use them a lot, just not this class. Come on, back up, back up. Ah. If I can get another assisted suicide. So, for those of you who do watch my videos, well, my other ones, I aimed a little bit too high. Try to get some of your friends to watch them, because I'm trying to, really don't know what I'm trying to, but because I'm trying to get on Machinima. I can be good at this game most of the time. So, is that a head? No, but that's a body. I have some friends at my school that are Machinima, or they claim to be. Probably not, since one of them lies a lot and likes to make himself look good. So the other one doesn't lie as much, but I trust the other one more. Okay, got an assist. First assist is suicide, but I don't know why. Where is everybody? Like, we're all over here, and then there's like that guy died. Nah, prefer the combat knife. Was that the death machine? Oh, a grenade launcher. Okay, there we go. I didn't. Yeah, it's a death machine. Sometimes I'll use it, but I don't know why I have stopped using it. There's some things I stopped using. I used to try Run for the Swarm, but I never really got it. There we go. Got final kill too. Was that a hit? No, it wasn't. How much more headshots do I need for this? It was close to a headshot. But, oh. Oh, wow, 26 and 8. Did a lot better than I was earlier. I also had one this morning. I uploaded a video this morning. I did good then. And like, almost every game between then and now, I'll get like 2 kills and 30 deaths. And now, I don't know what I'm doing differently. The connection was okay. Well, that's what it was, or as it is now. Got 1 assisted suicide. How many headshots did I get? 3 headshots. I think I only need like 4 more. So, check that. Yeah, see, those are the guns I'm using. Even though I'm still still mainly using this one. You have 4 more headshots. And I think I have 2 assault rifles gold. I'll have to double check. But, anyways, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Maybe.